Bronson is in the house. Bronson has been exposed to crack. He is addicted to crack and will do anything for it.
Speak. 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 Speak.
But what Bronson will not do for crack is roll over on a wood floor.
Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Speak.
See
Speak.
if you can get him to
Speak.
roll over on a wood floor.
Speak. Down. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. He's trying.
I know he doesn't know how to.
Roll over. Speak. 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 Speak.
Put him on the floor. See if he can roll over on the floor.
Down. 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 He won't do it. 10 years in the making, he won't do it. Down.
He doesn't like wood floors.
Watch.
Put him on the carpet. Put him on the carpet.
Come. Come here, bud. Sit. Down. Roll over.
Wow. It's a wood floor thing.
Down. It is. Down. Down. Roll over. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Speak. Speak.
So take him onto the wood floor and he won't do it,
He
huh?
didn't.
All right, you got your crack. You got your crack, little lion
Yeah, I
tail.
think he earned it.
He's got no teeth, but he's mauling it. What he's eating is crunch and munch.
Ridiculous animal.
Look at him go. Madman. Bronson, you want some more?
Oh, fuck yeah, he does.
He's had like 5 pizzas already. He's gonna be jetting all night.